The question says a conducting bar of length L is free to slide on two parallel conducting rails as shown in the figure. Two resistors R1 and R2 are connected across the ends of the rails. There is uniform magnetic field B vector pointing on into the page. That is, it is going inside the direction of the magnetic field. An external agent pulls the bar to the left at a constant speed v. The correct statement about the directions of the induced current I1 and I2 flowing through R1 and R2 respectively is. So, when the bar is sliding towards the left, area of length 1 will decrease and area in length 2 will increase. So, magnetic flux lines which are entering in 1 decreases and 2 increases because magnetic flux lines will remain constant throughout this circuit. So, therefore, induced EMF and current resist in this change. So, B should increase in 1 and decrease in 2. So therefore I should be clockwise, I1 should be clockwise and I2 should be anti-clockwise. That is to create some magnetic field lines in the first area in the direction of opposite to the direction of magnetic field, and then as the magnetic flux lines are increasing in I2, we create the more magnetic field lines in the direction of I2, that is in the outward direction. So therefore I1 should be clockwise and I2 should be anti-clockwise.